Try out the various functions in the front seats for your comfort and convenience. The larger screen of the panoramic display lets you see more at a glance. The instrument panel features a grip handle design for greater storage and versatility. Store various items such as water bottles or small umbrellas in the door bottle holders. The air ventilation seats deliver a more pleasant driving experience. Conveniently customize the ambient light to adjust the mood to suit your preference. Store various items in the cup holder located in the center console. And charge your smartphone conveniently with the wireless charging system. Keep the interior air clean with the air purifier located in the center console. Enjoy even more convenience and comfort in the rear seats thanks to the various functions. Charge electronics using the USB charging ports. Use the vent control levers to open and close the air vents and adjust the airflow direction up, down, left, or right. Enjoy a cool and pleasant drive with the air ventilation seats. Block sunlight and maintain privacy inside the vehicle with the side curtains. Conveniently store drinks or small items in the lower storage compartment. Turn on the lights to easily check inside the vehicle. Store drinks securely in the cup holders. Use the space in various ways by adjusting the rear seats. To adjust the position of the rear seats, pull and hold the forward and backward lever, then move the seat to the desired position before releasing the lever. To adjust the seat back angle, pull and hold the seat back angle adjustment lever to recline the seat back to the desired angle before releasing the lever. Fold the seat backs down to expand the boot space. Whilst pressing the button, lower the rear headrest to its lowest position. Neatly secure the seat belts. Pull the seat back angle adjustment lever and fold the seat backs forward. Enjoy more versatile use with the expanded space.
Kia, movement that inspires.